Hello students, welcome to uh, session organized by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education under the Learning Management System. Today we are discuss about analysis of rates. In rate analysis, we are discuss about how to fix up rate per unit of an item, construction details of work, analysis of rates, how to fix up rate per unit of an item, quantity of materials and cost as per detailed specification. Quantity of an item is calculated based on market rates. Per unit rate is arrived. Following cost 2 is considered: freight and transportation including loading and unloading, taxes and insurance, profit on cement, steel, stone, chips and bitumen not included if supplied departmentally. Labor cost. Second one is labor cost. Number and wages of different categories of labors, skilled and unskilled, namely mason or carpenter, mazdoor, for per unit of item to execute at site. These numbers are multiplied by market rate and labor cost is arrived per unit of item. Construction details for flooring work. What is flooring? Flooring is the process of providing clean, smooth, durable and impervious leveled surface to the occupants of the house, and the said surface is called floor. The floor should be hard, durable and sufficiently strong to withstand the loads coming over it. Steps of flooring. First step, base. Laying base coat of 100 mm thick in the ratio of cement concrete. In cement concrete, we are using ratio 1 is to 4 is to 8 on compacted earth, on compacted earth under the floor, under the floor. The base is same for all types of floors. Similarly, we are using brick blast instead of coarse aggregate. The ratio is 1 is to 8 is to 16. The 1 part of cement and 8 part of the fine sand and 16 parts of the brick blocks. Second one is finishing. Then finishing of the floor is carried on the different flooring materials, as well as we'll discuss here, and here the finishing of terrazzo, brick, stone and cement concrete floor. Types of flooring: tiles flooring, wooden flooring, stone flooring, brick flooring, glass flooring. Tiles. Tiles are often used to form wall or floor coverings and then range from simple square tiles to complex mosaics. Tiles are most often made from ceramic with a hard glaze finish, but other materials are also commonly used such as glass, marble, granite, slate and in reformed ceramic slurry. Types of tiles: vitrified tiles, ceramic tiles, porcelain tile. Types of flooring: marble flooring, bamboo, laminate flooring, hardwood, cork ceramic tiles. In this picture, types of flooring. First one is granite flooring, second is marble, limestone, ceramic, porcelain, slate, travertine, sandstone, terracotta, terrazzo, grotting, quarry. Laying procedure of flooring. First, the approved quality of granite stone to be selected and cut sawn. I discuss here granite flooring. Laying procedure. The approved quality granite stone to be selected and cut to the required size by machine and polished to the required finish as specified in the drawing and specification. The floor pattern for fixing the granite slab to be marked before starting the laying work and laying work and got it approved. Third one is the bed for laying granite slab to be cleaned and free of loose mortar and kept wet before laying the flooring work. Cement mortar bed 1 is to 4 of 30 mm thick to be spread evenly to the required consistency to receive the stone slab. The stone slab rear surface to be wet and applied with a creamy layer of cement placed before laying on its bed. The stone slab to be laid to the required line and level and gently tapped with a wooden mallet so that no hollows or air spaces are left beneath it. The joints shall run in straight lines and in uniform width not more than 2 mm or as specified in the approved drawing specification. The joints to be grouted with white cement or color pigments to match the stone color as specified in the drawing. After grouting the joints, it has to be cured for a minimum of 3 days. The top surface to be machine polished as specified in the drawing and specifications. Analysis of rates for flooring work. Here, granite stone flooring with 20 mm thick laid on base of 20 mm thick in cement mortar 1 is to 4, 1 part of cement and 4 part of sand. We take 100 square meter calculation of materials, volume of concrete, volume of concrete 0.02 into 100 is equal to 2 cubic meter, adding 20% extra for unevenness of base course. 2 plus 20% of 2 cubic meter is equal to 2.4 cubic meter. Adding 35% or one third of dry volume to the 2.4 cubic meter is equal to 2.4 plus 35 by 100 into 2.4 is equal to 3.24 cubic meter. In calculation of material, cement and sand. Cement proportion is 1 into 3.24 by total proportion is 1 plus 4. We get 0.65 cubic meter is equal to 0.65 into 30 bags of cement per 1 cubic meter of cement is equal to 19.45 bags. A round of say 20 bags of cement we want. Coarse sand 0.65 is cement quantity into multiply by 4, because 1 is to 4 ratio is equal to 2.6 cubic meter. As per rate analysis, the tabular column is serial number, particulars, quantity, rate per units, amount. First, in particulars, we are discuss about materials. First, materials. In materials, cement, sand, and granite, cement, slurry. In cement, we are calculated already. We want 20 bags of cement, multiply by present rate is 320 rupees per bag. 20 into 320, 6,400 rupees. We getting around 6,400 rupees for cement. Sand 2.6 cubic meter, present rate is 3,000 per cubic meter. 2.6 into 3,000, 3,000, 7,800. And granite slab, we are taking 15% extra for wastage and breakage. We total area is 100 square meter, plus we are adding 15% of area extra for wastage. Total 115 square meters. Rupees present rate from starting price of granite is nowadays 53 to 55 rupees present basic rate of granite. We are taking here 95 per square meter, 950 per square meter here we are taking. Rupees 950 per square meter multiply by 115, multiply into 950, 1,09,250 rupees. It's around. After granite, beneath of granite we fill the cement slurry over bed at 4.4 kg per square meter. Every square 1 square meter we want 4.4 kg of cement for bedding, and 0.6 kg per square meter for joints filling. For joint filling, 0.6 kg per square meter. Totally, we want 10 bags of cement. 10 bags into 320 rupees, 3,200. Second, next, granite carriage. Transportation charges of granite. It's take lump sum. It's 1% of total cost of granite. It's around 1430. And second is labor. Admission, mason, helper. Admission is of mason 20, helper 30 numbers required. Present rate, a mason is 1000 rupees per day, and admission is 1000 rupees per day. Mason is rupees 700 per day. Helper rupees 500 per day. We multiply half into 1000 is 500, 20 into 700 is 7000, 30 into 500 is 6000. And third one is tools and plants. Its take lump sum is 1000 rupees. Total we get 1,42,580 rupees. Add 1% of water and 10% of total concrete profit. Grand total 1,58,406.38. We rounded off 1,60,000. Rate per square meter 1,60,000 divided by 100 rupees, 1600 per square meter. Reference B. N. Datta, Estimation and Costing, and H.S. Vishwanath, Estimation and Costing, Sapna Bookhouse. Estimation and Costing, LMS Team, Chairman, Sri Nataraj MS Sir, Moderator, Sri Devarasya Gowda Sir, Subject Experts, Sri Kiran Kumar S. Sir, Sri Murli Sir, and Sri Balanjanayalu Sir. Thank you.